Hey everyone, my name is Christina and I'm the owner of Mrs. Property Solutions. Thanks for checking out our website, and I thought I would make this video to tell you a little bit more about our company and how we think we're different so that you can have a little bit more information as you make the decision on who you want to work with to sell your house. So the two main things are going to be, first, our core values. They really determine how we show up for the people that we're working with as we're buying houses. Their integrity, hard work, and a cheerful giving spirit. So that really is going to dictate, again, how we show up and serve the homeowners that we're working with. And then the second thing is going to be the fact that we really do create like a custom solution for your needs. So for instance, if you need a flexible closing date because you are trying to coordinate a move into another house, then we can completely work on your timeline and create paperwork that says that, so that you feel just secure and assured with the decision that you're making. So if there's anything that we can do to help, and or any questions you might have, please feel free to reach out and we will do our best to answer all of your questions. All right, thanks. Have a great day.